Magdalene Bautista. I am an accredited competency assessor for food processing at NC2. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Ms. Laika Vasquez, processing manager, Ms. Yago Kemp, AC manager. Proceed, may I inform you that we are being recorded and live stream through CCTV camera in the TESDA Live Provincial Office and TESDA Regional Office. I have here with me the consent form, which means that we, including me, are agreed to be recorded, and the other here, including the sharing of CCTV footage to the authorized representative indicated in this form. Also, I have here with me your application form and self-assessment guide. These are the proof that you are willing to undergo the assessment. Before I start, please submit your admission slip. Let me check the attendance. As I call your name, please acknowledge and raise your hand. Miss Leia Soko, please sign the attendance. Miss Joy Baeño, please sign the attendance. Thank you. Please check the spelling of your name is correct, and may I request one valid ID for your identity. So let's proceed now to the orientation. What is the assessment? Assessment is the process of collecting evidence and making judgment on whether competency has been achieved. The assessment process seeks to determine whether the graduate or the worker can perform to the standard expected in a workplace based on the defined competency standards. The qualification title is Food Processing NC2. The core unit of competency are: first, process food by salting, curing, and smoking. Second, process food by fermenting and pickling. Third is process food by sugar concentration. Fourth is process food by drying and dehydration. Fifth and last is process food by thermal application. The steps: task, prepare, time limits, and evidence to be collected. First, salting, curing, and smoking for 3 hours. Fermenting and pickling, 3 hours. Sugar concentration, 3 hours. Drying and dehydration, 2 hours. Thermal application, 2 hours. Assessment procedure to be undertaken. While you're performing the task, I will be observing after demonstration, and I will be asking questions related to your demonstration. This question composed with oral, demonstration, and written test. This assessment will determine if you are competent or not yet competent. Need to be considered during the assessment. Religious practices. We also have things that we need to consider. If there are any religious practices being observed by your religious, just tell me so that I can allow you to observe whether you are required to do by your respective religion. For example, if you need to pray at the specific time this day, tell me and I will allow you. Medication for those candidates who need to their medication maintenance within the duration of our assessment. Just inform me, I will allow you to take your medication. If you need to complete to your instruction, you do not hesitate to ask me or needed help. I am willing to help you and we will administrative policy and procedure. Follow the rules on use of facilities, tools, and equipment. The don'ts is using cell phone during assessment, taking picture, leaving the premises of the AC without informing the assessor of any stops, and loitering on the premises. The right and appealing system. If you have any physical difficulty, do not hesitate to inform me. I am willing to assist you if you have a difficulty, and please follow you in appeal to address the AC manager immediately after the assessment. And if there's an agreement on the process, you can appeal. Do not sign the rating sheet for the cars. Currently implementing the e-certificate system starting from August 28, 2023 until December 2023. They will be running a parallel implement. This means that you have option either receive your non-tradition paper based national certificate or NC, or complete for the new introduced e-certificate. If you achieve a competent result in your assessment, then choose the e-certificate. Your national certificate will be sent your provided email address with 1/2 after the assessment. You pass and provide the application for accurate. Once received, you should print the e-certificate on clean white A4 size paper. For individual, those employees or companies require a paper NC or national certificate. The certified individual must print their NC and COC on a clean A-size paper, white paper. Subsequently, this print certificate should be taken and done nearest as the provincial or district office to the application of dry seal. The TESDA or FOCA will be responsible for verifying the authenticity of the national certificate or COC before affixing the dry seal. Service will be provided free of charge. Starting from January 2024, the paper-based national certificate will be longer be validated. As a final reminder, please ensure that the email address and the name provided during the application process are accurate and up-to-date. For the paper-based national instruction, the national certificate or the COC is issued by the provincial office where the assessment took place upon the presentation so far. It has a validity period of 5 years. And claim your NC or COC working in 3 working days. It means Saturday and Sunday and holidays not included. Bring the following upon claim. First, the cars. Second, the picture, passport size, white background with color and name tag, and clear white background, photo paper color, clear face in high quality, and 50 pesos for certificate fee. If the national certificate or COC will be claimed by the respective, only 2 times a representative may claim the national certificate or COC. If the successful candidate cannot claim it, that's the PO, accredited license officer, immediate family member up to 2nd degree requirements. First, original copy of cars, B, special power of attorney, or letter of authorized. You may ask if the copy of the prescribed authorized letter in the provincial office. Download it on the TESDA website, tesda.gov.ph. Third, photocopy of ID of the certified worker, photocopy of the claimant, accredited ID of claimant, if license, requirements, photocopy national certificate with original presented, certification of employment related